because that would suck if there wasn't. Oh, Good evening. Hello. Hi. Hopefully today things go a bit smoother than last shit show, because that was fun for no one except, well, certainly not me. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I think we're good. Just the one tonight. Oh, stretch. There we go. So I'm just gonna sit here and do this. No, it's not frozen. It's my stupid face. Good time to stream? Why is that, Vainbrain? What's going on? What have I done incorrectly? Oh, Twitch went down. I didn't know that. I don't keep track of any of that stuff. What happened to Twitch? It's just like a server outage, or is it like, you know, is Twitch down from the whole DMCA mess? Hey, Sundry, how are you? It's weird people checking in from YouTube. It's weird seeing that little tag. God. By the way, Vainbrain, I played some Left 4 Dead tonight. Left 4 Dead 2. And I had a good time. The only thing I wish, and I know there's a mod, or not, I don't even know if you want to call it a mod. I just wish it was third person. And I know I can go into the console, I looked it up and do a bunch of stuff, but it just seems like a lot of effort. But it's the only thing I wish there was in-game functions for. They decided to close because of PogChamp. Wow, really? That's... Well, look, fair enough. I guess if it's offending people and people are boycotting because of an emote or a meme, whatever, then look, if that's fair enough, that's fair enough. It's their right. No, look, there's nothing wrong with first person, but I just want the option. Again, without having to go through the console and do all that extra jazz. But anyway, I really liked it. I only made it, I made it into the shopping center. I just started the campaign. I got into the shop and then I stopped because I had to get shit ready for tonight and whatnot, but oh, just the main starting one right off from like bare bones. Just that one. Yeah. It's pretty good. I'm not very good at being a team player. But I'm learning. But it's fun. I can't wait to try the yeah, Dead Center. Sorry, yeah, Dead Center. Yep, yep. Oh, is that what happened? Okay. I don't know any of the backstory for all of these emotes and whatnot, but yikes. Yeah, I played alone just because I wanted to get a feel for the game. Like, I knew what the game was about, but I just wanted to get a feel for it, kind of know what I'm supposed to be doing, how the controls work. I don't know where to go. Like, I know I stumbled along a lot, but yeah, I just wanted to get a feel for it. Oh, fair enough. I don't know. I don't know. So we can do 4 on 4. So 4 people will be the infected, and then 4 would be the players, assuming there's enough. And if there's not enough, say there's only 4 of us, we can do 2 humans and then 2 AI, and then 2 infected, then 2 infected AI. I think that's how it works. I think either way, it'll be fun because it actually is a really fun game. I like it so far. Like I said, the controls are nice and easy. I'm just getting used to the having to actually rely on AI. Yeah, I know. It was and the nice, well, actually, I encountered a few issues. One, like every so often, the game would just hang, and say there was a player would say like reload or something like that. It would just go, like the visuals would freeze, and then you'd reload before it caught up to itself. I don't know what that is. Oh, is that how that works? Okay. Oh, versus, okay. Well, it all depends on how many people we have. Wow, nice. I can't even ban them. But either way, I guarantee we'll play it. We'll play it because I like it, and I hope enough people pick it up if they don't have it already. I actually found out I didn't have it. I thought I did. Yeah, no kidding, huh? But yeah, I thought I had. I didn't. I just bought it. It was €8. I just bought it. Said fuck it. So and I tried playing it remotely, like and I had a bunch of like running it remotely off my server to like say my TV in my living room. I can't run it in full screen. I have to run it in like borderless window, or it gives me a D3D error. And I tried all the fixes that were on the Steam or on Valve site, but I couldn't get it to work unless I did that. So it's because I think it runs off DX9, which is, you know, not the newest. But anyway, I liked it. I want to play it again, but that was weird. I was getting these weird little like hard locks. They would hang for, it was like a second or second and a half. Every so often it would happen. And then the game would just, like, it's not like it was lag where, like, you know, it was, I would move, like the game would just stop and then start again from the same position that it stopped at, regardless of what I was pressing. So. Okay. Well, look, again, Vabrain, we'll see who we have. We'll see who has the game. I'm hoping people pick it up if they don't already have it. You know, if there's 3 of us that have it, I'll play. If there's, you know, or more, obviously. If there's 2, it all depends on how many people, like, you know, are in chat and that want to play and give it a go. Like, I don't want 4 people not being able to play because they don't have it, and there's only like 6 of us. You know what I mean? That's all. Okay, yeah, I'll go through the settings again. I think well, no, because I know I ramped up every single visual option, like, you know, 16 times anti-aliasing, like all that. Maybe I should turn some of those down. It might help. Hey, 24, how are you? Oh, Twitch must be back up. Yeah, see, mine happened during, like, yeah. I'm good, 24. Tonight, I'm hoping to implement the very last stupid interactive puzzle. And then go from there. I hope it all goes well. It should. I have to add some extra stuff in to implement it into the game, but last stream was just getting it all, kind of getting the core of it done. So turns out it was went a lot quicker than I thought, and tonight might as well. Also, I should put that out there that tonight. Oh snap! You started playing the piano. Get those flanges all nice and worked out. Good on you, sir. Oh, great! I'm glad. I think everyone should try to learn at least one musical instrument. No, Vainbrain. I was only playing. I played only camp. It was only single player. Like there was no. It wasn't online play at all. It wasn't online play at all. It was just local. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Look, I'll look it up. I've got a month almost to see if I can torque it out. It's not the worst thing ever. It just looks bad. But what was I gonna say? Oh, I completely forget. Oh yeah, so tonight, if I get this puzzle in and functional and working, the clues, so to speak, they'll actually be easy to put in, but like I need to actually put the building that the clues will be in. I need to actually create the building itself. So I'm not going to do that on stream. That's just boring watching me fucking make rooms. But if we get the puzzle, let's say we get what I want to get done in like an hour, I might end the stream after like an hour and a half. Like I won't be able to do the 2 because I have an absolute truck ton of like my everyday job work that needs to get done, and because I've had the kids all week, I haven't been able to get too much of it done. So unfortunately, I will have to cut it down a bit early tonight. All going well. I don't really know how to. Anyway, so hopefully it doesn't happen. But if it happens, I'm sorry. Uh, 24. If you want, if you can post something, you can either post it in Discord or send me a message in Discord. That's fine. Oh, Vamber, yeah, look, I'm not sure. It's because, again, it was happening like a few times during gameplay, like in the middle of the level. Again, I'll look it up. I'm sure hopefully other people have experienced it, and maybe I just have some stupid setting. Maybe I don't have the multi-core on, or I don't know. I'll look it up and find out. Maybe it's because I'm running it in 4K. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, purchase down again. Yeah, there. Jesus. No, you didn't miss anything. I'm only. Geez, I only hit the button. What? How long? 10 minutes ago. So you didn't miss anything. Don't worry about it. So I'm gonna jump in like a minute and a half. But also, if there are others out there, I am looking for ultra mini stories to add into the game. And I gave an example in Discord, which was like, for example, player would find a phone in some house with and they would click on the phone, it would come up, and then it would have like a text message saying, I forget what I wrote, but it was like I can't believe he left me for Sharon. I hope they both die in a fire. And then in the next house over, or in the scene, but somewhere else, there's a man and a woman dead in a fire. So, you know what I mean? The small little mini quips, stuff like that. So, but if you can get a glimpse, yeah, dude, that's fine. 24. Like I said, send it. You can post a link up to it in Discord in the miscellaneous channel, or if you only want me to hear it, just send me a message with the link. Well, that's fine, as long as the audio's there, right? If it's piano, unless it's a whole theatrical setup, in which case, yeah. But yeah, I know that. What was I saying? Oh, my brain is fried. So I've been up since God knows how long. 5:36, something like that. No, wait, was that today? I know I had to sleep in one point this week, and I slept until 7:20. Oh, okay. Yeah, like so like small stuff like that. Oh, no worries, Mr. Glebzix. Well, look, if Twitch keeps dying, I don't know how long they're going to be doing this for. And if you're not a regular YouTube person, hit the subscribe button on YouTube just so you know when I'm on next. I try to keep it as consistent as I can, but I might as well pimp that out. So yeah, hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, and watch for me to come back on. So is my mouse working? It is. Hold on. Does my mouse even have a charge? It does. Let's hit the button, and hopefully this doesn't break. I'm in the wrong profile here. Work. Hey, okay. So obviously I'm not using my other cam, so this field of view looks weird, so I'm very sorry. It's actually sitting there. Oh, you can't even see it now. I ripped it off. It's sitting right here. But I think there's an issue with with my audio, one of my audio feeds. So instead of me trying to dick around on stream with it, I just ripped it out and remade this. So anyway, so this is the panel that I'm working on. It's this nice big blank panel. I already have the script that we wrote in the last stream on. You can't see because the stupid chat's in the way, but we're gonna start implementing Z buttons, and if I have that correct, and I do, that should be fine. So we need we have 10 UI. I need a button. That is a shitty looking button, and we don't want any movement on it. Width 500 by 500. That's way too big. Let's go 100. That's probably better. Whoops. Button. Yeah, we don't need any text. Thank Christ. Put the text on it. Now we do need, there are 10 numbers or 10 images that I'm going to be using. So I can't do just straight 10 across, so I can go, let's just lay it out. Let's get 10 buttons. Because we need the buttons we're pulling from and then the solution buttons. So these ones actually might be too big. So let's just ballpark it right now. Yep. So I can do 5 if I space them out 5 and 5, and at the bottom I can do 5 and 5. That should be. Because I also need buttons for reset, cancel, solve, or check, or whatever. Something like that, but I'll have to center it. That's fine. So if I take them all over, and we move them roughly there, ballpark it there. So I need another. Oh, sorry everyone, I didn't change my screen resolution. Right now that looks way too small for everyone. There we go. That's better. So this is going to be the reference buttons. Boop. That is centered, right? Thank fuck. Yeah. And we need another one. I'm going to duplicate that, and we're going to call this solution buttons, I believe is what we called them before. Hey. I can't type because my fingers are too fucking fat. So instead of moving that down, I'm just gonna move that down here. So the solution will be down here. Actually, yeah, I can put that, and then I'll have the maybe 3 buttons here, like I said, like it'd be like cancel, check, and then reset or something like that, or whatever. Put them in whatever order. Yeah, grid environment or grid would work, but the only time I'd ever really use grid is when I want something to be ordered in a certain way. These buttons will be static. I don't need them to be dynamic. So it's, I mean, you know what? Let's just, out of morbid curiosity, let's just try it out. Grid layout group. Ooh. Starts in upper left, horizontal, flexible. I've never really used this though. Fixed column count. We want 5 columns. Yeah, we can do this actually. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. Oh no, that's okay actually. We'll put this in the center. I've never actually tried to use this before. I never needed to. Middle center. There we go. And that way I can put that X. Oh, that's perfect. And then 250 there. Padding needs to be a bit, cell size is 100, spacing, X will be 5, Y will be 5. Yeah, good call. I've never really used it before. Maybe I should have, would have saved me a bunch of time. Thank you very much for that. And that we'll put there, reference buttons. Don't exactly know where I want everything. Cool. Oh, I should probably, shit. No, it's fine. So we need 3 buttons down here. Let's grab another button there, because these ones will be different. We want 200 by 50, roughly. Oh, we don't want this stupid, none. Oh, fair enough. Oh, fair enough, Sandra. In my previous game, I didn't have an issue. The only issue I had with like oddball, like, you know, like 25:9 ratio monitors, whatever, is that like all the canvases and everything were like all the layouts and everything were fine. But like, say for example, like 16:9. Sorry, let's get like 16:9. I only made the canvas 16:9. I didn't make the canvas scalable so that, like, say it was a 25:9 monitor, like you could see black. It wasn't even a black border, but like you can just see the canvas wasn't, there was nothing on the other side of the canvas. So I screwed myself there. Yeah, and that's what I did in the previous previous game. Oh, I want Text Mesh Pro on this. UI Text Mesh Pro, get rid of you because you suck, and we're gonna change you to, oh, is it you? Yeah, and we want black, and we want you bold. That's the right one. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yes, yes, I did. But see, well, this one's an oddball because this is a world screen canvas. For example, where's my fucking pause canvas? Oh, you can't see it. It's, you know where you put, it says the match, so the screen match mode, like match width or height. What's my specialization? Well, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really have, I know most, how do I say it? There's nothing in Unity that I don't know how to do except dick around with shader code. I've never really got into that. Everything else, I'm fairly aware of. Now, obviously, there's some like nuanced stuff, like obviously, like I was aware of the grid layout. I just never utilized it. So like most, if not all of the non-networking stuff, I'm pretty familiar with. But I don't know if there's a specialty. I mean, it's only me working on everything that I've shipped. It's pretty much just me working on it, minus the people who contribute during stream. Not many outside contributors. So I'm not sure, Mr. Glebzik. Sorry, really, I'm struggling to say your name there because I'm not used to it. Glebzix. I'm gonna go Mr. Glebzix. Hopefully I got that right. Glebzix. Anyway. Yeah, it's just me, man. It's just me. And like I said, I've the amount of help that and insight that the people watching the stream have given me is fucking amazing. So I owe a lot of whatever this game is, or whatever this game will turn into. I owe a lot of it to the people who actually watched me do it, because they've helped me so much. So text. Oh, hey, text. That's what I was looking for. Wee, put you there. Should I just center it? Yeah, I should just center it. Fucking simpler. Boop, boop. There we go. And this will be, oh, what? Check. Check. Check button. 8. I'm gonna have to make these a bit smaller. If I go 0, where's that? Yeah, these gotta be a bit smaller. Let's go width will be 150. That's fine. Boop. And you are at 0. Okay. And this will be reset. Can't. And we need another one. Actually, I might as well put the name on now. Whee! This one is cancel. Oh, that's not how you spell cancel. That's not how you spell button. Holy mother of Christ. Neither is that. Fuck me. There. There. Now this, see, this gap is bugging me. Doesn't really matter, but it's just bugging me. No, honestly, well, I do record, like I do, like part of my day job is nothing to do with this, regrettably, but my day job, I do a lot of online calls, and like meetings and not really conferences, but like meetings. So one of the things that drives me nuts about other people's mics is echo and room reverb. It doesn't sound right. So, and also one, because I'm streaming my content, the better your stream looks and sounds, the more likely your people are going to watch. And because I'm making a game, I need more eyeballs. So I put all the sound foam in, which was, it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't expensive at all to put in. The most expensive part is the stuff you can't see. I have bass traps all around the ceiling. That's what really helps. But this stuff is more for like, you know, your midtones and some of your high end. But no, I don't. And this mic is it's only like 100 quid. It's not nothing expensive or nothing high end or anything. But I just didn't want all of that. I didn't want my audio sounding, I don't want to say bad, but not good. Put it that way. So I had money for it and I put it in. So yeah, and obviously, but yeah. So no, I don't do anything professionally with the sound. Well, yeah, but again, I don't take the calls for like it's. We'll put it this way: I'm an analytical chemist who now does software validation for laboratories. So I'm constantly talking with computer system validators and like quality assurance and system owners and project managers and blah blah blah. So I'm constantly taking calls, but it's not technically part of the job. Just turned into one because I'm originally this job wasn't supposed to be a work from home deal till the couve. But anyway, yeah. So okay, we have these in. Our reference buttons are our buttons. So these ones here, sorry, the solution buttons, we can put the backgrounds on. Background image I have, which hopefully looks half-ass decent. They look okay. By the way, everything you're gonna see I made. So I already know the solution of the puzzle. So I'm just gonna put these ones in randomly here. Maybe I'm not sure if I can put them in randomly. Well, we'll see. Should I do it randomly? Yeah, I can put them in randomly. So let's just go with you. And then you. And then you. That one looks weird. Now I'll see if I have any. Shit, that's a duplicate, damn it. There we go. Do I have that one? Yeah. Do I have this one? No. Do I have this one? I don't know. Let's find out. Nope. Or that one? Nope. Which two am I missing? Oh, I need the right one. No, the left one. It's you. And then I need the one going down and over. Okay, so I need the L one. Yeah, that's all the buttons. So this is what happens when we move Pog. Oh wow, really? Twitch, well, look, Twitch is appealing to the needs of the social voice. I don't know. That sucks that you can't access the emotes. They must be, I don't know, maybe they're just taking them down to, because I'm sure what'll happen is people will just upload that emote, the band emote, under a new name or under a different blah 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 blah. So they probably took all the emotes down to somehow figure out how to put a check in there. I don't know, I'm guessing. So that should go in a coaster. There we go. Okay, so. Oh, fair enough. So for those out there who are not sure what's going on here, what happens is each of these images has a corresponding number that's obviously not here. So for example, this one here is, I have it down for the number 2. So so I'm actually going to put the numerical solution here. Like it'll say something like, today's password is whatever the fuck it is. I don't know what I'm going to, like I have the number, it'll be a 10-digit number, and they'll have to find essentially the legend or the decoder to what each of these values mean, and then whatever this password is here in numbers, they'll have to put it in the corresponding slot. So I have to put the hint. You can view on Twitch, but you cannot type in chat. Oh snap. Is there nothing on Twitter? Like, did Twitch post anything on Twitter besides the fact that they've taken it down? They're banning the emote. curious. So let's lock this and put our reference buttons in. Boop. And then let's lock that, put our solution buttons in. Now the solution order I have to put in here. So that is going to be, there's going to be 10. You guys, I'm sorry if you can't see this because my stupid camera's covering it. But oh, okay. Oh, DDoS. Yeah, well, that sucks. So the solution is, hold on, I got a piece of paper here with it all drawn out. Is, oh god, I can't see it because of these stupid crosshairs. Is U. 3 is this one. 6 is that one, if I can find it. 4 is the L one, which is U. 0 is, oh no, 0 is the that one. That one. 1 is the backwards L, which is somewhere in here. This one. I might get this wrong. Next is the backwards 7 looking one. Next is the one that looks like number 7. Next is the up. And the last one is the slash. Okay, cool. So hopefully that's the right order. Default button is this guy here. Boop. Current selected sprite. Okay, so let's just see if this works. Let me move the player over here. And I'll actually check button. Oh, sorry, this is still on lock. Let me wire up this check button first, because that'll tell me if it's working or not. Switch image puzzle and check solution. Reset button. Boop. Switch image puzzle. Reset puzzle. Check that one too, and cancel is not wired up yet, but cancel it is. Fuck! Cancel. You, and cancel invoke? No, where is it? Oh, I didn't even write it in. Haha, I didn't even write the code in yet. That's funny. That's okay. So let's move our player there. Actually, for now, I'm going to change this because this is bugging me. Custom 2D image. Whoops, target. That one there. This helps me find it later on. And actually, I'll do the player as well. Player. I can put the icon of the actual player there. Boop. And this one. Boop. Apply. There he is. Little icon. Hello. So what am I looking for? This thingamabobber. Oh, that's nice and easy. Oh, and I have to turn the boss off. The boss is sitting right there. Let's turn him off. You're down here, because that'll just start to come at me, which would not be good. So you're there. Cool. Hopefully nothing breaks. Oh, I can't even try this. Sorry, shit. We have to go back into the code because I don't have the I don't have it wired up to move the puzzle towards the camera. We still have to do that as well. Ah, there's so much to set up. There's so much to set up, but that's fine. Thankfully, it's just a cut and paste job from the other codes. Yeah, like this here. Whoop. Hey, Josh, how are you? How's it going? And problems. There we go. That's fine. Player movement. Let's get all this junk in it. Go away, work profile. So, right out of the gates. Float. Distance. I need player movement. Can't spell. We also need static references. Ref. Come on! What else do we need? Item information script. Twitch is back. Yeah, people have been saying that for a while. Hey, Danny. Oh, okay. So I need puzzle game object. That's the thing that we're moving. So I got to change that. So public game objects. Puzzle. And I'm going to change that right now. I need level manager, player attack. Okay, we're getting there. All these stupid things. Puzzle canvas group. Need that one as well. Whoops, how the fuck did that happen? What else am I missing? Follow cam, puzzle to camera. Oh, yeah. Puzzle to camera. What am I missing now? Oh, solved, okay. Oh, it's working, is it? Yay! Good on you, Twitch. You've sorted your shit out. And, oh, what do I have for solved? I'll just have return solved. Ah, okay. A pool. Or I'll make a public pool. Cool, so that's all of it. Fucking thankfully. And solved equal false. Solved equal true. All this stuff is fine, supposedly. And now I need a, should I start now, void awake. Wait, do I just, yeah, these are all references, I can do this. So static ref equals game objects. Oops. Game object with tag. Oh, fuck me. Boom. So from the top, player movement. Player movement equals static ref. Player remove control. Level manager. Static ref. What's next? Player attack. Puzzle canvas group. That should be. This needs to be public. I have to add that in. Puzzle the camera. I'll leave it public for. I think. Item information. Ooh. Yeah. I'll have to look. There's a little weird caveat to that one. Puzzle game object. I'm not sure if that needs to be public or not. Anyway, where was I? Follow cam. Yep. And puzzle to camera, I think that stays like that. Now there was one thing about this. What is there? Yeah, okay. Circuit board puzzle. I had to add in something for... Oh, maybe it's actually to the follow cam. Okay. So that is public. Should have just added the damn thing. Oh, there is another thing I need. Aha. TBD gamer, yeah, like I'll show you. Like basically I have a script, but it's just the whole script is just references. I'm not sure if I can show it. Hold on a second. You might be able to see because it's right here. So basically everything in the scene that I need referenced for whatever reason, I reference it in the inspector, and this way I could pull it instead of me calling get component or find some object with tag. Then I can literally, I only need one reference to the static ref, and then I can literally pull all the references out of it. Yeah, fair enough, Sundry. Yeah, because I did in the past, the last game I shipped, I did have, there were some script execution order issues where I was finding references in Awake, or some I could find in Awake, some I could find in Start, because it depends on, because even if, say, two scripts have an Awake function, right? If script 2, or sorry, like if script 1 needed a reference from script 2, but script 2 didn't do its get component yet, script 1 will pull like, hey, that doesn't exist. You know what I mean? So rather than dealing with any reference issues, I throw every needed scene reference in one script and then just pull it off that, and it's ready to go right from the first millisecond the scene loads in. The reference is there and I know it's there, and there'll be no issues getting it. So it's not the best way of doing it. Are you not using events? In what regards, Andre? Well, again, there's probably better ways of doing it. This way just works for me. Twitch is down again. Well, everyone that's on YouTube, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to be able to get to 1,000 subs so I can actually start monetizing. Sorry, it would be more of a incentive for me to make more YouTube videos, not streaming videos. Although it should be to get the 1,000 anyway. I don't know, whatever. What was, oh, I needed something. What was it? Oh yes, affected obstacle. We need this. And then cancel puzzle. So I need something else, affected op. So this is the use item that I'm, yes, we need this. Put that up here. Someone should post my vids on Reddit. Well, I mean, that'd be nice. By all means, go ahead. I don't know, like, I know Reddit's pretty, look at this, it did it again. Look at this shit. Reddit's pretty strict on, you know, self-promotion. That's why, like, I think you have to post 10 times before you can self-promote once. That's the general rule. Some other subreddits are much more strict. But yeah, look, if you guys want to share my stuff, by all means, you know, I would be insanely thankful. But like, I don't expect, like, I wouldn't even ask, because, or I never asked in the past because I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, no, Sundry, you're right. But it's one of those things where, I guess, yeah, if you don't ask, you don't get. I don't know. I just never thought to ask, because I never, like, I don't want to, like, I feel, and maybe I just gotta stop feeling that way. I would feel, not greedy, but needy, I think is the right word. For asking, hey, can you put my stuff up? Because I'm not allowed. Like, I don't know. I shouldn't feel that way. I should ask. So, by all means, post up my stuff. The good stuff, not the bad stuff. Affected obstacles to use items. So when we check the solution, if it's solved, then we're going to create a well, right now we're not. We're just gonna go affected obstacle dots use this item. I know, Josh, right? Just multi-account? Yeah, well, I suppose. But someone always figures it out. There's always that guy who does a bit of sleuthing and then just, you know, outs you. And like, the last thing I want is to be that, I don't want to be that guy who gets, I don't know, I just don't want to be that guy. who, you know what I mean? That it's embarrassing and it looks bad. People should want to cancel. People should want to post it on their own accord. Like, I don't know. I just don't feel. See, I don't even have a cancel. Oh, at least I do now anyway. Cancel. What does this do? Just so I know. Yep. Okay. And for now, we're gonna go if affected obstacle not equal null. Then do this shit. Just for now. Okay, I think I have it all wired in. Oh, no, we got to do the cursor controller. I know, Josh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it feels weird. Oh, cursor controller. I have to add in the stupid script name to here, which is, what the fuck is the script called? I forget. Image switch puzzle. So, paste that here. Image switch puzzle. There we go. Hey, Hero, how are you? It's funny, people checking in back and forth, YouTube, Twitch. Is Twitch up again, Hero? Okay, so I need a few references. Affected obstacle. I'm not going to assign right now because we're just testing. Puzzle canvas group. That's this. Puzzle to camera. That is the main camera. And puzzle game object. That will be this entire thing, I believe. Okay, so now I should be able to, as long as I got it all set up right. Is this on maximize? Oh yeah. Oh, fair enough. So one thing that's going to happen is when the player does go over and clicks on the puzzle, if it is all wired up right, we have yeah. See, I have to adjust the rotation of it, so that's fine. I knew I'd have to do this for every single puzzle. So basically, it's why is it the mesh that I need? Ooh. I need the canvas and the mesh. Ah, balls. Well, let's do the mesh first. Shit. So we have to go. It literally moves the puzzle right to the camera. Pivot. Global. Yeah. So I literally have to do this. So that should be right roughly there. So if I can copy this, copy component, get away. Oh, hold on a second. That's why there's a problem. So if I'm moving this, that's why. Son of a bitch. The Z is pointing down. Oh, I never rotated it before I put all this shit in. It's okay, live and learn. So I need to rotate this way. Whee! 0, 90. And then all this, oh shit. Oh yeah, that's right. So all of this stuff goes down roughly there, or something close to that. So the mesh is the big one. 90, 0, 0. And then we'll have to try this again. So the canvas will have to be... Why is that out there? Yeah, that's about right. Weird. See, it's the wrong way. I rotated it the wrong bloody way. It's facing the global or local. I forget which one I need. This is gonna suck. That's okay. This is what happens when you don't wire it up right the first fucking time. So that looks like it's pointing the right way. So now I just need to get my mesh. hate that. The whole point is because the stupid mesh is not... Oh, a little higher up. Huh. Actually, that's not bad there. Put you there. Let's get the... Oh, right. So this, you need to come with me. Oh, stupid ISO. There. I'm actually gonna delete this. Video object cube. Just make a cube, you dumb mother effer. Really small, about there. Bring it over. Bring it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's change the material to default so it matches a bit more. Now, the hardest part, I might not be able to use that, so I'm not going to dick with that right now. Puzzle canvas itself shouldn't be too bad. See, the only thing this canvas... No, it should be fine, actually. Why is it rotated? There, it's weird. It's fine there. So, the gate puzzle is... It says it's facing out, so we're gonna try again. But this, I'm gonna have to move this mesh. That means, see, this mesh is... What if I go 0 or 1? Yeah, I'll just do that, just so it doesn't fuck up everything. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter how thick it is. Now, what about the actual box collider that's on this? Yeah, it's way off. It's not big enough at all. That should be more than fine. The actual canvas that tells... You can go up there, somewhere around there. We're getting there. Every time I do a puzzle like this, this kind of bullshit happens. So I can't say the puzzle canvas does need to go on here because it all needs to move together as one. It's fine. Okay, let's move the player there again. That seems really low to the fucking ground. There we go. Let's try it again. Hopefully without the skull fuckery. But yeah, so now I have to basically move the mesh to a certain distance away so that when it comes to the camera, it sits properly in front of the camera. So all I have to do now, hopefully, is just move the mesh. Yeah, fine. So let's go to the mesh itself. And let's take that off, go you there. There we go. So I need to put that roughly, I can put that, that's not bad there. Yeah, fair enough, Josh. You're not wrong. I can put that there. So if I just take this now, copy component, and we go back here to Unita, and then I apply it, boop, that moves it way back, but then I just take the puzzle, And move that forward. Take my canvas, move this back. Why is this still rotated? Doesn't matter. It's fine, and everything else should be fine now. So now if I do it, it should move exactly where it's supposed to move. Whoops. Theoretically. Gotta earn it. Yeah. You're not wrong. Let's maximize it. Because if this works, I'm gonna see if it actually... Yay! Oh yeah, cancel's not wired up yet. Okay, so the buttons and everything work. So I just want to see, I want to do this and then do a check. So if I go check, it should say failed. It does say failed in the corner, perfect. So let's do, what's the solution? I have it here in my hand. So if I hit reset, that makes me happy. Solution is, yeah, giving it away. Oh, that's not right. I'm already doing it wrong. Let's see what actually happens, because this is a good... Yeah, then they just switch there. Perfect. Okay, and then this one goes there. Oh yeah, then this one. I really gotta... That one goes there. And the backwards L goes there. You go there. You go there. Okay, now hopefully this says solved. Solved! Yay! And then it goes away. Perfect. Now I'll pause it and make some sort of sound effect, because this gate will move. So maybe I'll put another green light or something like that on. That makes me happy. And the barrel fire needs to go. Okay, so at least the puzzle solution works. That's good. So now let's go back into the bullshit code image switch puzzle. Well, again, thankfully it's easy enough for me to change, because that's the last thing I'm probably going to do before I release the... Well, I shouldn't say last thing, but I have to go back over all of the different puzzles and change their solution numbers. Because of this game, I am going to have to give this game out to people to try. And the last thing I want is people posting. Now, if I was a good enough coder, programmer, number and letter manipulator, I could just do it dynamically. So every time you make a new save game file, it generates a random number, and that number is used to dictate the answers for some things. But like some things it wouldn't. Like there's a slide log puzzle in the tutorial. That's not going to change. That'll obviously stay the same. But like anything to do with the numbers one, this one would be hard to do because like it's based off of a legend. So like that the player has to find. So that would have to be somehow manipulated, and it's not the hardest thing to do, but it would take a bit of time to make. Plus test it, make sure it's right. Math magician, there you go. That's it. That's it. So once it's solved, it uses the item, and that's when it's supposed to happen. And then cancel puzzle's fine, but cancel puzzle, when the player cancels the puzzle, I also want everything to reset. So reset puzzle. So if you start to go halfway through the puzzle and then you cancel it and come back, it's reset. Actually, I should probably do this first. Yeah. Although that means these need to happen first. Because I don't want... we'll see how it looks anyway. Actually, that's gonna go here too as well. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, what else did I want in there? Okay, first we need sound effects, but that's easy enough. We can put that on the ad listeners. I don't need this anymore. What was it that I needed? Oh, I gotta wire up the cancel button. Do I have cancel? Cancel puzzle, yeah, let's wire that up. Cancel puzzle, there we go. And oh, the help. So I need the actual solution there. So this is, I actually might, maybe I'll just put the solution. Yeah, I might do this. I can get rid of this whole fucking panel here. It'll just look nicer, hopefully. So these reference buttons need to go up more. And then the solution buttons can come up. Actually, I can bring them right up to 0. But half of them, where's my Y spacing? Yeah, and then we can bring this down now. Because I'll put the actual number values underneath it, what the numbers are supposed to be. And now that means I need, oh no, I can put them on the buttons and just move them down. Yeah. Well, let's try it. Let's see what it works. Let's see what it looks like. So I put that down here. Let's change this to the proper font. And for example, the first value is 8. So this will need to be centered. Center. Yeah. Something, I mean, whoa, the fuck happened there? Weird. Yeah, I mean, I think, yeah, and I'll just do that for each one. Cool. If I duplicate that. Wait, what is this? This is sitting at, oh, 0, -80, we'll say, and 0 is fine. Width, 100 by 50. Okay, that's fine. Shit, probably should have. So we need 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh shit. Damn it. Copy component. Base component values. Boop. So that's going to change. So it's 8, 3, 6, whoops, 4, 0, 1, 7, 5, 2, and 9. There you go. So you give, so basically to find out which, the only way to know which ones go where is, why can't I click off this thing? Is you will find the number, like, you know, 1 equals this image, 2 equals this image. Now you won't find it like that, but like you'll find it in notes in the, I don't know what to call it, the military admin building or something, or maybe I'll do it the barracks, something along those lines, or some sort of like military housing. And then you piece together, maybe you only get like 1 or 2 here or 1 there, or maybe I might not even give all of it. I might only give 8, and then the player could fill it, like, you know, just it'd be trial and error to get the last 2. Now, one thing I could do is that every time you hit check, and if it's wrong, it resets it. Would that actually be, would that be really annoying? I think that would be really funny. And should I put a background behind those numbers? Nah. So that means this door thing I can get rid of. I think that would be annoying. Would it be? Yeah, okay, fair enough. So I just get rid of you for now. So we don't even need that. this just sits there like that. It's funny because initially when I was doing this, I was going to use like weapons, like so like the images would be like, you know, rifle, pistol, sniper rifle, blah 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 blah. But like, I don't know, I just didn't find it. It didn't look right. Can you not switch once they're in the new? They're all. Yeah, you can switch. So like, well, actually, you know what? Let's test it out because that's actually a good question. And I think I tried it out and it was fine, but I'd rather know now. What am I doing? I have to play the game first. Come on. Oh, helps if I hit the button. So if I click it there. So like if I put these here, and so if I wanted to switch it out, is that what you're asking? If I want to switch an image out? Well, put it this way, there's 10 tries. So like, even if someone did try, the odds of them getting it right are very low. Yes, you probably could. And someone could sit there for, I mean, unless they're really lucky, someone could sit there for like an hour and figure, that's fair enough. Yes, you could. But it's no different than like the slide puzzle or the lights out puzzle. Like, you put in the time, you're gonna get it. So say this was wrong and I wanted to switch, like, so if I clicked on this, put it here, they do switch back and forth. So if I put that there and I wanted that one there, then they do switch out. So you can't get locked. So if I, oh, that's an issue. Oh, right. Local position, it's not supposed to be local position. It's supposed to be position, that's why. If it would reset if I drag the wrong piece, all I have to do is test. Oh, no, that doesn't work. No, it doesn't tell you which ones are right. No. No, not at all. Okay, hold on, Josh. Let's try that out. So you tested swapping with one from the top, one from the bottom, but I mean, once all 10 are at the bottom, can you switch after you check? Yeah. So let's just put them all in there randomly. So if you hit check and it says failed, yeah, like you could switch them out now. Oh. So yeah, yeah, if you check and it says fail at the bottom, right? You could switch them out and then like try, like, you know, maybe put that one there and then that one there and then hit check again. But like right now, I don't have a way of telling the player that, hey, that's not right. I'll probably put some sort of error or I don't like meh, or something like that. But maybe probably, ooh, I should have left these white and turned them red. This way, maybe what I could have done is if it's you check it and then it's right, these turn green. Actually, all of them technically could turn green. But yeah, anyway, that's easy enough to change. Thankfully, I still have the file I made. But yeah, no, like it doesn't tell you which ones are right and which ones are wrong. Like you either get it or you don't. There's no like figuring out like. So, for example, number 8 is reset. Number 8 is, what the fuck is number 8? This one. That one is correct. So if I hit check, it still lets me switch it out. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, yeah, I definitely didn't. Well, put it this way, to do that, to lock it in, it's more code. So I'm like, I'd rather, you know what? It's actually not that hard. If it's right, you just make that button always not interactable. There's a better English for that. But yeah, no. So I mean, it's a simple enough puzzle if you have the legend. But like, so what I wanted for some of my puzzles, and there's one big one, to get into the power plant, you actually have to go all the way back to the hospital to use an access card to get to the very third floor, which you didn't have access to originally, and then you have to decipher. Now I think it actually might be too hard. We'll see. It's easy enough because it's like basically it's the clues are based off of when a patient was admitted and how long it took them to die. So when they were admitted is the order, like is it like, you know, the first number, the second number, third number. So like say a patient came in on like a January 1st, or well, say January 2nd they came in and then all the other patients came after January 2nd. January 2nd, that's the first number. And then how long it took for them to die is the actual number. So like I might actually be too... This is just a password, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, it is, Sundry. It's just a convoluted password. Instead of me making someone rotate a dial or blah, 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 it's just another way of putting in a number password. It's faking it. Yeah, that's what it is. That's all it is. Now, I don't have to make them numbers. I could put anything else I want in there. Like, it doesn't have to be a numerical value. I can make it be other. I can put other images. I can put other images. You know what I mean? I'm well aware that there are way better passwords or way better puzzles. Yeah, look, better games than this have done this exactly. Like, actually, the best example I can think of right off the top of my head, because it's the latest game I finished, was Resident Evil 2. When you get to the lab, where there's these weird symbols that you have to put in the right order to unlock certain things. That's almost verbatim this. Well, the other thing too, Josh, is, I mean, like, one of the things I started hating about adventure games was that a lot of the solutions for puzzles, like, it didn't make any sense. Like, this itself doesn't make any sense. Now, the way I'm narratively going to introduce, you know, what symbol matches what number, that's a stretch, but you know, there is going to be an explanation for it. It's not just random symbols. It'd be different if this was like a fantasy game that you don't need to explain anything, or sci-fi. Fuck it. You know what I mean? But this is not any of that. I mean, it's kind of sci-fi, but it's not. It's more, I don't even know what you want to call it. It's science fiction, but it's, anyway, it's not that out there kind of a theme stuff. Yeah, well, there you go. But again, I can change these. Why am I pointing to the screen? You can't see where the fuck I'm pointing. I can take these numbers and I can make them other images. So maybe I can make them, I don't know, like whatever. I can make them whatever I want. And then the player still has to go and find the legend. Like the legend as in like which symbols correspond to which values, and then piece that together. The other thing I can do as well is I don't have to give the player I don't have to include numbers 0 to 9 in the legend. I can give the player maybe like 3/4, and then by process of elimination, maybe figure it out that way. Like, just add a little tiny extra bit on the end of it. Again, it's that's all it is. Yeah. Cancel. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got hit. Oh, that's that's one thing I need to do. I've experienced that before. The puzzle comes back from the camera and actually pushes the player. We don't want that, so let's go to our, is it project settings? Physics? So interactive puzzle should not interact. Oh. It shouldn't interact with the player. Shouldn't even interact with default. The player is on its own layer, right? Player layer, yay! So yeah, I shouldn't. Yeah, they shouldn't, okay. Default should be fine. Actually, I should take away enemy as well. Or pickups. Jesus, there's a good few things. Ground, it'll never hit the ground. Melee weapon, that's not even there. Skybox, player info. And this should definitely not be interacting with itself. Okay. Oh, see-through obstacle. And interact puzzle, nope. Okay, that should be fine there. Not asset store. Jesus. So let me save this. So the other thing we need to do is we need to wire up the gate itself. So I need to put an animator on this gate. Well, essentially, yeah. Like I said, when it comes down from the camera, if the player's in the way. Actually, what is my nav mesh? Ooh, I should probably these gates first off, right out of the gate. Fucking boo. The size. Nope, that's the wrong one. Must be the Z. Yeah, needs to be pushed out a lot more. That's fine. So the gate, where are you? Muzzletary puzzle gate. No, that's the puzzle, the gate. Animator. Assets, made anims is somewhere. So we got military gate, idle. And let's record, and military gate is recording. I fucking hope it is. So we are sliding, I think it's, well, we'll just do this. 9. So we're on a Z-axis is where we're moving. Not property. Go away. Pick another one. Military gate. Open. Now I can either have them open like this, or I'll slide as one over. Or I can actually have them swing out. Which one would look nicer, everyone? Whether they just like they literally move apart and go into the wall, they all move together, or they all open up like that. What do you think? Actually, no, sorry, they can't open like that. I do need it to move so that puzzle goes with it. So it's either all together or they open like that. I think. Maybe not even that. We'll test it out, we'll change it. So you start there. We're gonna go with all together for now, and then over the period of, I don't know, 1 second, just shits and giggles, we're gonna move the entire thing, whee, there, right into the wall. No, there is a cut in the middle. It's actually two pieces that I've put together. It's there. Whoop. I mean, we can just do that. Or I can actually have it all swing out as one big thing too. I can do that. Let's just see. Let's just see. Hold on, the animator. Oh, there it is. I believe this is a trigger, and it's called use item. You're not wrong, Sundry. Let's add that trigger use item. Exit time, interruption source, next state, 0, 0, boop. Has exit time. Nope. It just fucking goes. So now let's find these stupid things. So we can turn off the loop. No loop. No loop. Okay. And have I linked this up yet? This doesn't matter. Checkpoint. Yes, it is checkpoint. It's fine. There's no replacement game object. Puzzle. Where is it? Oh, affected obstacle here. And actually, I think that's it. The only thing I want to do, though, is before it solves the puzzle, before it calls this, see, I'm gonna put this in a void delay delayed action. I don't know what you want to call it. This is all going into there. Why do I have debug logged? Whoops. And then here, invoke name of delay action for, I don't know, 1 second might be enough. Oh, did I do that wrong? Why is that not returning for me? Oh, name of I'm an ass. Oh no, that is. Oh, no. There we go. So yeah, so it'll delay that. And this gives me, I don't need solved twice here. What the fuck is that? And then I don't need failed anymore because I know it works. Now I also need the sound effects for the buttons. So public audio clip. Button click. Public audio clip. Puzzle solved. Public audio clip. We need a puzzle, puzzle not solved? I don't know. Like, that's like the eh. Are you a good programmer? I'm an okay one. Hopes. I can do enough in Unity to do anything and everything that I want, but it might not be the most elegant, actually, sorry, it won't be the most elegant way of doing it, probably. There's some things that I've wrote that I was really proud of, and I'm pretty sure it's fucking streamlined, but it's a rare occurrence. Hey Bubba, how's it going? What did you need, Hops, anyway? We also need a reference to the audio manager. Audio manager. I can do this for the pause control too. Well, I will do the audio manager, it doesn't really matter. So button click. So that's in the listener here. Actually, they both need them. Oh no, these ones are different. These are, oh, because I also need hover. I should just put them in fucking Unity. What did I do for, just out of morbid curiosity, what did I do for these ones? I might as well stay consistent. Oh, I only did the, okay, so I did all the audio in the editor. That's fine. It's fine, let's just do the audio in the editor. Why not? Sorry, I know you guys can't see this crap. So on click, I need, I think it's pause canvas. Let's use the pause canvas. And pause controller, play sound effects button, and I believe it's 0. Click, yeah. Actually, they made a, oh. You have a very, oh. That's okay, Ops. Well, I've started streaming this to get more eyeballs on the game. And in the process, yeah, I made my room look a little bit more streaming. So what I'm looking for. More streaming, eye-catching. So, but I mean, the problem is not a lot of people want to watch game developers. It's not like people that are a fan of the genre of the game I'm making, for example, they don't like watching the game being made. And it was I wish I would have clued into that a long time ago. Although don't get me wrong, and I said this earlier in the stream, the amount of help that I've gotten from the community that is here has been absolutely priceless. So in that regard, it was more than worth it. So. Well, Hops, if hit that subscribe button if you, you know, if you like what you see, whatnot, that would help me out. You're not the useless one, Bubba. I shouldn't say anything, but like most comments that people make on your game, there's always something you can take away from it, even if it's like. Even if someone says like, "Oh, your game sucks, I didn't like it," but if you're able to watch them play it, you get so much out of it. So like, anytime you get to you get a chance for feedback on anything that you're working on, take it. But the worst that comes out of it is people don't like it. Well, then now you know, hey, there's something wrong. What do I need to change? So if anything, the negative, like the negative comments are more valuable than the positive ones. Actually, most times they are. No, Restream is a way for me to stream to Twitch, Facebook, DLive, and YouTube at the same time. It's a free thing. They also have a free chat thing. So the people that are chatting on Twitch and YouTube and DLive and Facebook, I could see it all in one go. That's all. Well, that's fine, Hops. But Twitch link, Squid Monkey Studios, all one word, all lowercase, I believe. Might all be lowercase. Should be. Oh, thanks, Andre. What was I doing? Oh yes, the pause button. Okay, I did that to all of them. So I also want it for the solution buttons too. Boop. Pause canvas, because why the fuck not? Whoop, I swore. Woohoo! Play sound effects 0. And what is the? Where's the pause canvas? UI accept. So the cancel button and the reset button should be UI accept. Okay. Oh, which one was that? I should have fucking read it. I always forget numbers. Oh, it's number 1. Derp. Cancel, reset. Pause. Play sound effects button 1. Now the check button is going to be the fun one. So these are the audio clips that I need. I need a... Let me save this. Oh. Don't know, sorry. Glebzex. Don't know. Yeah, Restream's okay. But it's, again, I used to just do it on Twitch, but, because I don't need, like, I gave up my affiliate status to be able to restream. You're not supposed to stream, concurrently affiliate, but like, it just makes more sense to me for me to have potentially more eyes on it. So, how old? Oh, wasn't sure who you're talking to. Sundry. Okay, the check button. I need. Where's my sound effects? I got sound effect in here, don't I? Audio, sound effects. Alarms. What's this one? No, we don't want that one. Doors. Okay, that can be it. Door lock, turn, metal grind, hello, lock. No. Do I have anything else that hits? What do I have for hits? No. Impacts. No. None of these. Ah! Got a lot of fucking... Well, I can use the one anyway, the door one. The, No, it's... Oh, it's for the door... Okay, that'd be for the door opening. No. Okay, yeah, I can use that. Metal Gate Puzzle. We need sound effects. We need... Did I not save that script? Oh, I didn't, because I'm an idiot. And I don't need Audio Manager. Oh wait, yes I do. Derp. Audio Manager. Why the fuck? No. Stupid caps lock. Static ref dots. She's like a dung beetle. It's an add-on. One of my lovely community members gifted me some cash Not a lot. It's called Rainbow. There's one for the hierarchy and there's one for your project. So this is called Rainbow Hierarchy, and this one's called. I forget what this one's called. Hold on. I was hoping the name would be in here. Anyway, just look up Rainbow in the tools or add-ons. Just look up Rainbow Hierarchy, and you'll see both of them. But it's nice for bigger projects. It's great to be able to find things. Like I said, I even have like little icons for my player, and like things that I use a lot. Like this one right here, I put an icon on it because that's where I used to move my player around the map, and it's really hard to find. But like being able to throw an icon on it makes it super handy. So yeah. Rainbow folder, thank you, Sundry. Sundry's got all the answers. Puzzle. Did I say? There, okay. Button click, don't need it. Puzzle solved. We can probably use this one. Puzzle not solved. It's going to be. I thought I had it. No, where was it? UI. Oh. Yeah, that's it. UI error. Perfect. Boop. So the button click I don't actually need, so we can get rid of that one because that one's taken care of by the pause one. Can you show the game? Yeah. Give me. Well, actually, Hops, if you want, go to, you can play the game right now. You can play the survival mode of it. It's not the campaign with the puzzles and everything. But let's see if this works. I can type it. There you go. So go to the Caretaker, hit playtest, and you can get a copy of it. Like a copy of the survival mode of it right now. So again, there's no puzzles, there's no narrative, it's just... Can you beat Sundry's fucking score? No, I have it open, Sundry. So anyone who clicks playtest will immediately get access now. I got a few, actually, I don't even know how many hundred people I got using it. But like, most people use it. They might try it for 2 minutes and then quit. That doesn't bother me. Yeah, like before, when I first did it, I didn't know I had that option, and I had to let in every single person click, which was really tedious. But then I realized, oh, there's an open button. Like, it was really tiny. But, so yeah, just click that, and everyone who clicks on the button. Also, Hops, if you want, yeah. You do, actually. Hops, if you want, yeah, playtest. If you don't want to playtest it, or if you do also want to playtest it, but make sure you wishlist it too. That would be insanely helpful. So we have our audio manager, and so puzzle solved goes check solution solved here. So audio manager dot play audio clip. Puzzle solved at 1. My first, no, not like 100 hours. I think, no, most people who beat it, they might have played it for a couple hours after. So like, I think the person who's got the most time on besides me, it's probably only about 15 hours, maybe. No, not even close to that. As far as I know. As far as I know. Now, don't get me wrong, I haven't checked the analytics in a very long time. So there might be someone out there, but like, yeah. Well, I mean, like most people who bought it, I shouldn't say most. The majority of the people who bought it seem to have finished it. But like, and the average time played is anywhere between 4 and 6 hours, which is exactly what I was shooting for, which made me feel really good. Like I hit it right. The pacing was fine, because everything is sectioned off. Like each mission, or well, there's 15. Well, 16 if you count tutorial missions, and they're all, the first 5 are one story, the second 5 are another story, and the last 5 are another story. So like they tie into each other, and some of the characters spill over into the other stories, and like you get there's some twists and stuff, kind of. So it works okay. But I don't know. Like looking back, if I remade that game now, it would be there's a lot I would change. But thank you very much, Sundry. You're on the ball. Well, I've released that one. I've only released. Sorry, on Steam. I've released that one. I had a couple Android games open. I took them down. They were awful. And the Play Store sucks. I hate competing with the Play Store, or not competing with the Play Store. I hate competing in the Play Store. Oh, this is. Oh yeah, I want this. Puzzle. Not solved. Boop. Okay, let's test this out. Ba-da-ba. Okay, I'm gonna turn the music off just so I can hear the sound effects better. Okay. Okay, they're there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. It's weird. Sometimes it's low and sometimes it's not. It's weird. Anyway, let's. If I hear. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Ooh. So let me put in the answer. I have to look at my page again. Can you say your name? I took everything out. I'm not on Google Play anymore. I took all my stuff off. I took it off. They were absolutely trash. I hated them. I took them off. So you won't find anything there. Not anymore. There was a game called Gladiator. You won't find it unless someone else took the name. Gladiator, which I think you can actually find on Game Jolt. There's a PC version of it. At least a very crude demo. And the other one's called Grim Space, which I took down, which was awful first-person shooter. I don't know what the hell I was thinking with that one. That one's also on Game Jolt still. Like a demo of it. Horrible. Fucking horrible. I'm embarrassed by it. Sorry, I'm just trying. I gotta put in the answer just to make sure the sound effect plays. Gotta test. Which one is this? One. Okay, so. Okay. Ooh. Oh, why didn't that move? Did I set them to static or something? Why didn't the gate move? Oh, they're fucking set to static. Damn you, gate! No, I want navigation static. Ah, shit, nothing. I want navigation static. Or wait, do I? No, I don't even want that. I want batching. No, I can't. No, these can't be static. Now I gotta do it again. Son of a B, because now I need to test that the thing works. Turn the music back on. Where is this? And I did link it, right? Affected? Yes, it did. So we're fine. Those don't even need to be public. I don't need these to be public anymore. Because I don't need to see them. Okay, last time I test this. If this works, I'll be happy with it. And then I gotta do the clues. The blues clues. I don't know what that was, sorry. I think my tongue had a seizure. Am I there, dude? We're there, dude. Okay. Oh, I need this back. I need the solution again. I should have a button that just like solve, like an auto solve button. What fucking one was this? What the hell's 0? 0 is this. I think I'd have this memorized by now. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's right. Ah, the puzzle's not attached. Fuck! Ah, you prick. Okay, so first things first, this gate. I can't have it slide into the wall. It needs to go behind the wall. Oh shit, no, the gate. That's hilarious. So that's fine, I don't mind that there. The player's not gonna know that it's there, but like... I know, right? An online game? No. No, I haven't done any networking stuff. Other than, like, no. I did a demo, really quick, like, kind of battle arena demo with, like, excuse me, like, geometric guns and, like, capsules as people, but it was very bad, and I really kind of, really want to make one, but, like, yeah, I don't know. There's a lot there. There's a lot more than just having two game objects talk to each other. There's a ton of stuff. And the other thing with online games is, like, you know, especially when dealing with people's credentials or email addresses, like, there's a whole whack load of security stuff that you got to make sure you're covered in some way, shape, or form. Like, it's not saying I won't do it. I want to. I very much want to. Now the problem is, this is being returned to its, when I give its, is this the local position issue I was having? Set puzzle, yeah, see, I'm giving the puzzle game objects local position. And this can't be, this. Oh, I know. No, I understand that, but, like, it's hops. I understand. Yeah, I could totally do that, but and honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely leverage something else that's already there and proven and works. I totally would. It just, networking adds another layer of complexity. So if I don't know what kind of game I would do, I really don't. I know I want to do, and I know it's like, it's almost like a game developer bucket list, or, you know what I mean, is to put one out there, even if it's just, no, it would be more, it would be I would want to do a proper shipped game, but it would have to be a simple game, or I could take, say, a game, for example, like a game that I've already made, like the spaceship game I made, or this game, and add that into, like, you know, some sort of co-op. Wouldn't really work in this game, but, like, some sort of, like, the there's a survival mode, and then I could have a survivor mode where, like, you know, last one standing, so I can have, like, you know, 20 people. But again, the other problem with that is then you gotta start renting servers. So if the game doesn't hit, you're out a lot of money a month. To get a name for my studio? Well, look, okay, well, you know what, you wanna know where mine came from? It's the stupidest thing ever. When my wife was pregnant with my first, technically what she was made up of was 8 limbs. Her 4, and then the baby's 4, so that's 8. And then when the kid was born, I called him my, like, a little monkey. So just 8 limbs, squid, and then monkey. Yes, that literally, there's zero backstory other than that stupidness. So, like, don't worry about the name of your studio. Don't worry about that at all. You can change it, like, whenever you want. You can change it. Like technically, as soon as I release this game, I could just, my next game, I could just make another studio name. Don't worry about branding at all, unless you're selling merchandise. But, like, then obviously, yeah, I need to care. But, like, until you hit super big, no one's gonna know your studio name at all. Yeah, like, don't call it whatever you want. Super Happy Fun Game Studio. Like, it doesn't, the name doesn't matter. Brand recognition comes only after you make a hit game. There's studios that have made probably a dozen games and no one knows who the hell they are. So again, I'm not trying to shy away. By all means, spend some time on it. come up with a cool logo and all that stuff. But don't like rack your brain and look, try to get focus groups. They're like, is this name better than that? But it's just a name. It's just a name. You are the one that matters. Like you, the one behind the studio. That's the one that matters. Studio names can change, but the person making the game, that's the person that you want to market. You want to market yourself, not your studio. For an indie dev. Naughty Dog Blizzard, yeah. Just look around your room. I don't know, like camera controller mouse studios. Like it's, I don't know, like light bottle. This is my fucking whatever you want. It's just stupid. I'm just looking at things. I don't know. So for this one, let's see what happens when I use the local position. I'm pretty sure that will fuck it up. Yeah, I don't think I can use local position. Well, let's try it and just see what it looks like. Pretty sure local position fucks it up. Actually, what am I doing? Go back. I don't need to do any of this. I'm an ass. Yep. This doesn't even need to be on the gate. This needs, I can just put this, come on. I can put this over here. This doesn't need to be on the gate. Fuck off. Sorry. There, look. There, that makes sense. Boom, done. Problem solved. Yeah. One thing that does need to happen though is when the puzzle is solved, I need to make it so that it's not activatable. Activatable? What did I do in the other puzzles? Or did I do anything in the other puzzles? Well, I try to be sympathetic. Where do you live? I'm from Canada, but I live in Ireland. My wife's Irish. And the running joke that I always push on is that she loves her family more than I love mine. So that's why we're here. I'm in the middle of nowhere, Ireland. That's as far as I'll put it. Actually, you can probably figure it out from Facebook page, and I'm sure there's some geo metadata on one of my stupid Facebook pictures or something on YouTube. I don't know, I probably fucked it up somewhere. So this needs to happen. So start puzzle. Oh, I already do have a lock for it. Okay. But that needs to happen for sure. Where are you? Basically, this line goes in, so the puzzles that are actually on the items that they're affecting, I don't need to do this. So basically, because every use item, or say the gate, if the player's not within a certain distance of the gate, it won't accept the player trying to use an item. So basically, it stops the player from like finding, say, a key and then being 30 feet away from the door and then just like going to their inventory, clicking the key, and the door that's 30 feet away opens. It stops that. But for a puzzle like this, you don't, say you could be in another building, do something, and then it might affect something else. So that's what this does here. Bypass the use distance. There was another thing I wanted. Was there another thing I wanted? No, that's all. Cool. Use item, delay action 1, yep. Okay, let's test this one out. Hopefully for the last bloody time. So I'm not gonna lie, my old man bladder makes me want to pee. Dublin and Derry, I've been to one of those places, and it's not Derry. I don't mind Dublin. It says I can't live in cities anymore. It's just too busy, too chaotic, too many people. No, fair enough, Sundry. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like where I live, like, you know, in the middle of nowhere, I like it because it's quiet, and like I have cows. Like my house is the house we built here. There's a small, tiny little school next to us that has like 6 students. It's a cool little school, and then two fields full of cows. And across the road is a field full of sheep. We're, like I said, we're in the middle of nowhere. We have roughly an acre of land. That's our house. We built our house on, and our closest neighbor. If on a good day, I could throw a stone and hit the house, on a good day. So like we're not bothered by anyone. Oh, I gotta make this not cast shadows. So if I go to cancel, back there, get the answer again. I don't mind cows. Well, they're not bad until they start mooing and busting your fence. Like we had to build a fence specific for cows, so they don't come through it. Like we're gonna put bushes and stuff in front of it eventually when we get a bit more money. But yeah, cows will totally fuck up your shit. Cows are dickheads. And the cows here, I'm not sure if it's just Irish cows. I don't know, but like they can be really fucking aggressive. Like my father-in-law's a farmer, like a beef farmer. And so the cows that are actually surrounding us are his. And I went out, he asked me to take pictures with him and the cattle or whatever. He just wanted something to hang on the wall. And I went out there with him, whatever. There's no danger or whatever. But because the cows never saw me, they just like bolted at me. Like usually when animals like see something that they're not familiar with, they tend to like either stay where they are or like move away. These ones went right the fuck at me and they scared the shit out of me because it's like a herd. Ah. At some time when you're rich though, this game. Well, look. Well, half of that sentence I like. You got 2 goats? Oh yeah, goats can be dicks. Oh yeah. So let's check this. That's fine. I didn't go in here. Why can't I go in there? What happened? Oh, wait. What? Oh, it's a puzzle. Why can't I go in there? Oh, did I bake in the nav mesh? I'm such a tool. I baked it. Oh, my dick. Bake. Yeah. Oh, wait. Those aren't baked in, are they? Oh, I must have baked it in. Well, I'll bake that now. Yay, there it is. Okay, now it works. Yeah, because these were static before. So now when they open, so if I just, oh fuck it, let's do this. Let's move the whole gate over. Yeah, now it opens up, then I can walk in. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so this puzzle is another success as long as I remember to put the actual solution into the game. They want something you just keep ramming it. Yeah, man, some animals. Like I grew up in a small city in Canada, and there used to be this place called Colasantes, whatever. It's basically a petting zoo, but they had tons of goats, alpacas, all the farm animals and all that stuff. Sometimes they'd have exotic ones, and you used to be able to go into like the pony and goat area, whatever, and like they give you like some feed, and the little fuckers would go in your pockets, steal your keys, like. And they're like, oh, it drove me mad. I remember I was dating this girl and I took her there because I thought it'd be sweet and fun and blah. You can get some food there, and it's actually, they have mini golf, and it's a nice little day if you can actually get a. Not that any of you were gonna go, but yeah, they ended up eating, like she had like the boots that had like the fluff stuff around the top of it, like that would surround her ankle, like fluffy. I don't know what you want to call it, and. Just started fucking chewing it off. Fucking made me feel like a ripe brick. I felt bad for her because those were expensive fucking shoes, but I didn't pay for it. We were just dating at that point. Anyway, Yeah. So that's we got most of it done there. We got most of it done. So I'm happy with how that turned out. I'm still debating. I might not use numbers. I might use other images and then just do a reference back and forth, something like that. Some sort of code. And it's a military base, so maybe they would use some sort of code. Code would probably be. It's easy to like shove in there narratively. So, in any case, I will be back Sunday to. I don't know when I'm going to be Sunday. Also, before I forget, before everyone just takes off and fucks off because they see me on this scene, but I still don't know about the Global Game Jam at the end of this month, so the community game night, it's still either going to be the 24th or the 31st. I'm not sure, but if anyone has a spare 8 to 10 units of currency, I'm not sure where all you guys are from, try to pick up Left 4 Dead 2 if you don't already have it. I really do want to play that with everyone. If only a few people have it, maybe we'll only play like 1 or 2 rounds and then move on to something that everyone does have. So Left 4 Dead 2 stick fights. Everyone can get scribbles, obviously, and maybe I'll find. Actually, no, wait. I think Left 4 Dead 2 we can do remote play. So as long as I'm your friend on Steam, I can just act like I can invite you in. I don't know if I can kick you out, but I can invite you in. I'll look it up. Pretty sure. Anyway, yeah. So join the Discord for access to build stuff or other news or for community game night information and whatnot. And also on community game night, we do a if you're working on any projects or website or anything at all visual or even audio to a certain extent that you want feedback on or you want other people to see, throw it up in the Discord and we will play it, use it, listen to it, whatever it is on that night, and hopefully you get some needed feedback if that's what you're looking for. So also if you want, yeah, it might be. Well, the only thing I don't like about remote play, at least for streaming wise, is that like I think actually I don't even know how that would work. Because with Left 4 Dead 2, when I was talking with Vainbrain, you can have 8 people play. Like four would be like infected or the zombie type things, and then 4 with the human players. And then after every finished round, you switch. And we generally don't seem to get more than like 6 people. So I mean, it would be perfect because it also substitutes AI. So it'd be great. But again, no pressure if you don't. I'll scour. I'll even talk to a few of my friends. Some people might even have a key from Humble Bundle or something like that they're not using. I'll see if I can get some. No promises. Like, don't bank on it. But if I can get a few extra keys, I'll definitely give them away. But yeah, and I know again, guys, we didn't get to do any of the gameplay in this game today. But if you liked in any way, shape, or form what you saw, go to Steam, search the Caretaker, and if I could spell Wishlist, I can put the link out and play test it now and give it a wish list click. That's the right word, because that would make me and Valve happy. More so me, but yeah. I don't think there's much else tonight, guys. So I'm on Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and hopefully I will see you this Sunday. Don't know what we're gonna do. Hopefully it's something not boring. And a little bit more, you get to see a little bit more visually pleasing than, a bunch of UI buttons or whatnot. But I hope, Hero, good luck, man. Sundry, I don't know. He's better at the game. He's better at that mode than I am, by far, leaps and bounds more. But it's insane. Like, thankfully, when the game is properly released, none of Sundry's scores carry over. But like, well. Also, Sundry, I'm not sure if I've updated the build since, because your last feedback on the current build up on Steam, I think I've addressed everything, and I think it's all up and running fine. No one's come back saying it's, hey, there's problems. So hopefully all of the problems that you had found are now finished. So we'll see. Hopefully. Either way, if not, it'll come out once the game's released, which is what I don't want. Yes, I did, and I didn't do it because absent mind in here. I wanted to run the narrative, like give you the brunt of the main narrative, just to get another person's eyeballs on it. So, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually haven't compiled it. I have it all in a in the Hack and Pro project management tool, but I actually need to get them in a Word doc, so to speak, and out. So you will be, hopefully sooner than later, you will be getting that in your mailbox. Yeah, I totally forgot. I really did. Well, the sad thing is, even if I would have remembered, I had zero time. I had so little time because I like just with the family, and the Christmas holidays aren't holidays, man. It's just another 2 weeks of work outside of the work you already do normally. So it was brutal. But anyway, I like now that it's in the forefront. I just have to sit down and actually put the narrative down, because I can't just give you the narrative without any context. So like, you know, I need to write stuff like, you know, player goes into hospital, finds this nurse's notepad, and then give you what's on the notepad. Like I need to and this is the main narrative. None of the extra, like you won't have any of the item things, or you won't have any like the, you know, when the mouse hovers over like a car and it says, you know, if I had a crowbar, I could get in this car. None of that. Literally, it's just the story, the main plot points. All the other stuff, I'm sure is fine. But also, actually, I should remember in Discord, I've asked, and if you guys want, I'm looking for ultra mini stories for the Caretaker, and I'll give you the example I gave before. Was that like if the player goes into the house and finds a cell phone, picks it up, and reads a text message that says, "I can't believe he left me for Sharon. I hope they both die in a fire." And then that's it. And then the player goes to say another house down the street, whatever. And then in the front yard, there's two people, a man and a woman, dead in a fire. It's like little mini pocket stories like that. It doesn't have to be about people dying. It can be about, you know, a lost dog. It can be anything that you think of, that any kind of a conversation that you might think someone would find in some sort of apocalyptic thing. Like, you know, maybe something like James was supposed to come back for, you know, he went out for supplies, or he went out to find something or someone, whatever, and he never came back. And then, you know, the player goes into the convenience store and finds James, you know, either like maybe find James's phone, or find James slumped over the counter with bite marks all over, something along those lines. Little like tidbits to make the town seem more alive. Like there's other things, there's other people, not necessarily alive, but other things going on than just the main narrative. So any ideas at all, throw them at me. It doesn't have to be finalized things, but like, you know, anything at all. And of course, you know, if you do, not that it means too much, but if it means something, you know, you get a credit. I'll give you credit in the credits, you know, for writers or writer or whatever you want to call it. I don't know actually what it's called. Supporting writers, whatever it would be. But yeah, so. And anywho, I will see everyone Sunday. I know I said that 3 times now, but enjoy the rest of your evening, and stay happy, stay safe, stay productive, and just be an overall good person, good individual, because we need a ton of those right now in these awful times. So stay safe, everyone. I will see you soon. Enjoy whatever life it is that you're living. That's lame. Why'd I do that?